Hey everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. I wanted to tell you, anybody who's in the area that I live in, Sid Wainer Friendly Fruit is selling, because they can't supply to restaurants. A lot of restaurants are closed. They have a lot of fresh vegetables, and they have orange juice and milk that they're selling for $1. So I just wanted to show you this, 2 pounds of baby spinach. I got 2 to a package, so 4 pounds of baby spinach for $1. So what are you gonna do with 4 pounds of baby spinach? So definitely you can, cook it. You can have salads with it. But what I do is I put it in smoothies and I put it in things. So I take my deluxe cooking blender. So we're gonna, and this is triple washed, so it's all already done. You don't have to do anything with it. So I'm just gonna throw this and hopefully not make a mess of it, because I'm notorious for making messes. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. Excuse me, I'm in the way. Then I'm going to take my cover, put this on. I love this deluxe cooking blender because I can grind flours and stuff like that with it. But also I can do things like cut this all up. So I'm going to show you. It's going to be loud for a minute, and I'm going to use my tamper just in case I need it. Because when it gets stuck a little bit, we're just going to kind of do this. And it's okay if not all of it gets, all cut up and all of that. There we go, all set. So what I'm gonna do now is you can put it in ice cube trays, or you can just get a Ziploc bag and put it in there. But then what you wanna do is kind of have it all flat. So then when you need it, you can just break off pieces and then put it in your smoothie, put it in your tomato sauce, put it in if you're making shepherd's pie, you can put it in the ground beef. People don't know it's there, and you're getting the veggies in it. So this is the kind of stuff that if you have it and you don't know what to use with it, that's what you're going to use it for. And again, this is the deluxe cooking blender. I use it for smoothies. I use it for grinding, flour. I use it for making my jam, because cooking blender, making tomato sauce. So that's something I would put in my tomato sauce too. I put spinach in my tomato sauce. So that's why, so this will not go bad. So my 4 pounds of spinach won't go bad. So I'll have some fresh, because I have a whole bag that is going to be fresh. And if it starts going a little bit, if I think that it's going to start going, then I'll whirl it up and put it in the freezer, and then I'll have it, okay? So I hope this helps, and if you're in the area, they are doing it until 5 o'clock today, and they had plenty of things. So, and it's going to go bad, and everything, any of those kind of things are $1. So you can get things, they have all kinds of stuff, orange juice, milk, and stuff like that. So if you're in that area today, go down, because they don't want it to go bad. So this is Linda Medeiros and What's Linda Cooking. If you're on, share this, because your friends might want to see it. But also if you are, watching this on YouTube, you want to like it, subscribe. Sharing is caring. So I will talk to you later. Bye, and be safe.